Remember, head voice, flip it early. Ready? What do we do on skies?
Hold it.
We hold the eye, right? Okay, here we go. Ready? Where
Is love? Does it fall from skies above? Is it underneath the willow tree that I've been dreaming of? Where is she? Who I close my eyes to see?
your head voice.
Will I ever know the sweet hello that's meant for only me? Who can say where she may hide? Must I travel
No,
far?
what are we doing here? Okay, head voice, right? Ready?
Must I travel far and wide?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
That's head voice.
Okay.
Okay, just a whole
Good.
different quality of
That was
it just becomes
good.
very light and very pretty instead of so she
Voice.
sounds older when she belts, and I think that's what she likes. But we want her to sound like Callie. We don't want her to sound like a teenager. She's not a teenager yet. Okay?
Okay.
So we need that head voice. Go back to Must I Travel. Ready?
Must I travel far and wide?
Stay in it.
Till I am beside the sun water,
Good.
I can mean something to where is love?
Right. Head voice. It's so pretty.